Best out of waste. How can you use these particular coffee mug planters in your garden? What are the plants that you can easily grow in them? Beautiful small planters are very attractive. We do love growing plants in different planters. Which plants are ideal for these type of coffee mug planters? So today I will be sharing with you some of the plants that you can grow in coffee mugs. Easy to grow and maintain. So if you have any old coffee mugs, do not throw them away, reuse them, recycle them and take it for gardening like this. So I will show you the plants that I suggest for these beautiful old coffee mugs. You can easily put money pothos plants in them. Take some grown up money pothos plants and put those stems in these particular coffee mugs, and really very easy to grow and easy to care. You will see beautiful growth and beautiful decor plants of these particular plants. So when you keep them indoors, you don't have to water them every day, because these plants are humidity loving and also very low maintenance and also indoor plants. So keep them indoors for better results. Now, so my first suggestion is money pothos. So I have some golden pothos plants and also some other particular varieties with me. Here I have some neon pothos plants in the coffee mug. So likewise you also can put them and grow really very easily. Make sure to select some grown up stems which have good roots for these particular coffee mugs. Next I have this dwarf rubber plant, and they are beautiful easy growing plants. These mini rubber plants fit into the coffee mug and they are also low maintenance plants, so try them in the coffee mug. My next suggestion is these particular rubber plants. Next colorful plants are these wandering Jew. So these cuttings are really very new. So I have planted them very recently. So these are the next plants that I suggest for coffee mugs, and they are so beautiful in color and also such a wonderful plant to grow in coffee mugs. Next plant suggestion is these moss rose plants. They also grow from stems, so try putting them in coffee jars and see when they flower, you will see how beautiful they are. So they also fit into these small pots and coffee mugs. My next plant suggestion is these particular Syngonium plants. So you can grow them beautifully in the coffee mug. Now I have taken them outdoors because they are also one of the plants that you can keep indoors. Coffee mug planters are best for these Syngonium plants too. Pink Syngonium. This is also in a coffee mug planter. So likewise you also can do gardening with old coffee mugs. Use them indoors as well. Keep them indoors to decorate your home, your living room or your bedroom, a side cupboard. You can use them for anything. These coffee mug planters are free of cost. When they get old, you can use them for gardening. This is actually I use with my personal experience. How to grow and care for these particular coffee mug planters and for the plants in them, I have uploaded some of the videos, so you can watch them after watching this video with your time. So these are my plant suggestions for the coffee mug planters with my own experience. So grow these beautiful plants in coffee mug planters and see how beautifully you can decorate your home.